Welcome everyone, I'm Sean DeVries, a Florida attorney, and today I want to talk about a topic that often comes with stress and uncertainty, wage garnishment. I'm an attorney and I'm here to help you understand your options, especially if your wages are already being garnished. Wage garnishment is a legal process where a portion of your earnings is withheld by your employer to repay a debt. In Florida, wage garnishment is regulated by both federal and state laws. Let's start by discussing the reasons for wage garnishment. The most common reasons include unpaid taxes, child support, and outstanding student loans. However, creditors can also seek wage garnishment for unpaid debts such as credit card bills or medical expenses. Now, let's dive into the process of wage garnishment in Florida. First, the creditor must obtain a court order which allows them to garnish your wages. Once the court order is obtained, your employer will be notified and will be required to withhold a specific portion of your paycheck. The amount of wages that can be garnished is limited by both federal and state laws. Under federal law, the maximum amount that can be garnished is 25% of your disposable earnings, or the amount by which your weekly earnings exceed 30 times the federal minimum wage, whichever is less. Florida has additional restrictions on wage garnishment. For instance, Florida law prohibits garnishing wages for certain types of debts, such as medical bills. Additionally, Florida caps the total amount of wages that can be garnished at 25% of your disposable earnings, regardless of the number of garnishments you have. Now that you understand the process and limitations of wage garnishment in Florida, let's discuss your options if your wages are being garnished. Option 1. Challenge the garnishment. If you believe that the wage garnishment is unjustified, you can challenge it in court. You'll need to file a claim of exemption which states that your wages should not be garnished because they are exempt under Florida or federal law. Option 2. Negotiate a payment plan. Another option is to negotiate a payment plan with the creditor. This can help you avoid wage garnishment altogether or reduce the amount being garnished. Many creditors are willing to work with you to establish a reasonable payment plan. Option 3. File for bankruptcy. If you're struggling with multiple debts and wage garnishment is causing financial hardship, filing for bankruptcy may be a viable option. Bankruptcy can provide relief from wage garnishment and help you regain control of your finances. Option 4. Seek legal assistance. If you're unsure about your options or need help navigating the legal process, it's essential to seek the guidance of a qualified attorney. An experienced lawyer can help you understand your rights, challenge the garnishment if necessary, and explore other options to protect your financial well-being. Wage garnishment can be a challenging and stressful experience. However, by understanding your options and seeking the help of a qualified attorney, you can protect your financial future and regain control of your earnings. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out in the comments section below. Take care.